Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Evernote notebooks for tax strategy notes, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Evernote application on your device. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Navigate to the notebook you want to backup. Click on the notebook title to open it. Review the notes inside the notebook to ensure they are all current. Select all notes within the notebook by using the shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Once all your notes are selected, look for the File option in the top menu. Click on File and then select Export. In the Export dialog box, choose the file format you prefer for backup. The recommended format is .NX, which preserves the structure and notes. Select a location on your computer where you want to save the backup file. Name the backup file appropriately, labeling it for easy identification later. Click Save to create the backup of your Evernote notebook. Wait for the export process to complete, and confirm the backup file is in your chosen location. If you have multiple notebooks to backup, repeat these steps for each notebook. For additional safety, consider storing the backup file in a cloud service. Now, your Evernote notebooks are securely backed up for your tax strategy notes. You can access these backups whenever needed for your reference or review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.